Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe and positive out there. It is never a dull moment in crypto, that is for sure. There's a lot happening in this space, and I'm going to go through the news today. I'm going to give you a market update, both in US dollars and Australian dollars, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video. And again, this is my new profile picture, and again, I've put it up on all my social media platforms as well, and I'm going to show you all those, the official accounts, and actually show you what some scammers have been doing. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video, all right? Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come on this incredible journey. It's been insane so far. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm absolutely loves when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So give it a good old thumbs up down there. It doesn't cost you anything. I'll wait for you. Waiting. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we do not like to lose, but you can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto, all right? So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. It is Saturday, the 13th of August. And yes, I've gone out, and it's a beautiful day here in Melbourne. Actually, the sun is out, which is really nice. So, for those of you who have got summer around the world, go out, get some exercise, and enjoy yourselves. And then come out later and look at YouTube videos and watch this video. Anyway, moving on. Let's go to the community tab. Very healthy to get some sun. Now, cash flow is king. The more you have, the more freedom you have. And that is facts, straight up facts. So I don't know who's saying bearish. That's just ridiculous. It is so true. The more cash flow you've got, obviously the less of expenses that you've got, the more of freedom you are going to have, all right? That is facts. And that brings me to my next post right here. Yes, my dividend portfolio, and I will do a video on it tomorrow. So for those of you who are interested in dividend investing and stock investing, it's very different to crypto. It takes a long time. I will do a video showing exactly what my portfolio is doing, and again, what I'm holding and how to get set up if you're interested in all that stuff. But again, I invested $343, and again, I've turned that now into $60,000, all right? So, and that's taken a very long time, but I'm not going to get into that today because today's crypto. Obviously, the altcoins that were up in my portfolio were Telcoin, UFO Gaming, TLM, which is Alien Worlds. Again, I'm big on gaming, metaverse stuff. I think that's going to be absolutely huge. Sologenic right there was up, and Near Protocol, which again, I'm very, very bullish on, all right? So that's pretty much the top gainer in terms of votes today. But anyway, let's go to CoinSpot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. And again, I've seen a lot of newbies coming into this space as well. So again, this is only for Australians. This this exchange here, you can't access it from around the world, unfortunately. However, if you are in Australia and you are new to cryptos, please feel free to use the referral link below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin to get you started. Of course, with any of this stuff, do your own research and due diligence. Okay, all these prices you see right here are in Australian dollars. So again, just clarifying that because I get a lot of comments about people saying what currency you're using. All right, it's Australian dollars. Everything else is set to USD because I'm catering for everybody. Now, I'm going to go through my favorite coins, and then we're going to go to some Ripple and XRP news, some stuff with the CFTC. There's a whole range of stuff. It literally is never a dull moment, all right? So anyway, let's go through the prices. Bitcoin sitting at $35,000 today. It is holding quite nicely above that 32, 33 range, all right? So we could see this drop down on Sunday to Monday morning, usually when the market is quite low and everybody's just out having fun. Anyway, Ethereum sitting at $2,861. I seriously think that there is going to be a lot of FOMO into Ethereum as well. I was watching CNBC last night with Anthony Scaramucci and those hosts from CNBC Squawk Box. And again, Scaramucci was pretty much saying what I believe is going to happen anyway. A lot of people are going to be buying the FOMO once just the merge happens. And obviously everyone's going to be, buying on the way up, and a lot of people are going to be selling as well, that hype. So just be careful with that as well, because I think that will happen as well. But anyway, honestly, I need to add Ethereum into my portfolio because this is the favorite child. We all know this. and I think it's only going to go up in value anyway. So moving on, XRP is at 55 cents, incredibly cheap and bullish on Ripple and XRP. I honestly believe it can have the potential to flip Ethereum again. It has done it before. All right, it can happen again. Cardano is sitting at 78 cents. Solana is at $68. I'm still surprised this is going up, even though there's a lawsuit going on. I need to look up and see what's happening with that. Polkadot's at $13. Dogecoin at 10 cents. Matic is at $1.42 AUD. Moving down to some other favorites. Near Protocols at $8.70. You've got Link at $13. You've got Stellar at 18 cents. Algorand Banking Coin, 53 cents. I'm bullish on these ones. I love them. VeChain's at 4 cents right now, which is nice. Let's have a look at some other favorites right here. You've got Hedera at 12 cents today. Sandbox at $1.94. Axie Infinity's at $28, which is nice. I'm earning some nice rewards by staking that on the CoinSpot platform. Earning some passive income, which is nice. Theta's at $2.36 today. You've got Aave at $166. Again, might have to add some Aave into my portfolio. Quant is back up to $186 today, which is annoying. I need this to go back down so I can accumulate more of it because, again, I believe Quant is a $10,000 to $20,000 asset. No joke. Moving down to Phantom, you've got 59 cents. The Graph's at 21 cents today. You've got Neo at $17 today. I'm still holding my Neo as well. I think it's going to be great. Layer 1, real utility, guys. That's what I'm looking for. Waves at $8.94. Moving down to some other favorites, of course, you've got Rose at 14 cents. Gala is sitting at 9 cents, almost 10 cents, which is nice. That's going crazy. Nearly 10% today, which is incredible. And, of course, some other favorites right here, XDC, sitting at 5 cents. So it's slowly creeping up, all right? So everyone's had a lot of opportunity to dollar cost average into this at around the 3.5 to 4 cent mark. Now it's creeping up to 5 cents. And, again, it's just the beginning, all right? So it's still plenty of time with XDC, but, again, I want as much as possible, all right? Obviously, the other ones are Reef, which I'm bullish on as well. That's under a cent right now. DeFi is going to make a massive comeback, in my opinion. And, of course, ALBT. Alliance Block sitting at 8 cents as well. I'm going to throw in some money into this as well because I think it's going to be massive. And, of course, XYO, which, again, I'm very bullish on. Again, it's sitting at 1 cent. And, again, I was buying this before it was listed on Coinbase. So, again, I got it on KuCoin for those of you who want to know. Anyway, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. Before we get into Crypto Bubbles, Crypto Bubbles. This is my website right here, the Wall Street Bull Official. You can see the website. I've got everything on here, some information, and I've got some pretty cool merch on here. I've got the Hedera NASA logo top right here. I've got the Hedera to the moon, the ISO t-shirt right here with all the coins listed on the back of it, and of course my favorite, the Ripple NASA logo jumper right here, a sweatshirt, whatever you want to call it. I have ordered myself the XRP to the moon tie-dye hoodie, so I'm still waiting for that to arrive, so hopefully I can show you every single one of you that. Again, the website's linked below. Use the discount code MOON10. That is MOON10 for 10% off. You can grab yourself some merch there, and I'm going to add some more onto it this weekend. Crypto Bubbles right now on the day. Let's just refresh this to see what is happening right now. You've got Celsius up 51% on the day. That is just ridiculous. Had you bought this yesterday, you'd be up 50% on your money, which is, again, you would never get into traditional investments, all right? So stocks, very different to crypto. It takes a long time to get 51% on your money unless you're in a growth stock like Tesla, for example, all right? On the day, 51%. On the week, 189%. That is madness. On the month, 295% return. Its all-time high was at $6.35 USD. Currently sitting at the moment $3.67 right now. But again, who knows what's going on with Celsius? What's this? We've got Huobi token as well, up 19% today. On the week, 18%. On the month, 17.9%. All-time high was $17. You can see right there. It's currently sitting at $5.22. Lido DAO is popping its head up again, up 16.4% on the day, 14% on the week, 294% on the month, which is just insane returns, man. That's just crazy. You've got OKB up 14% as well. 16% on the week, 71% on the month. And again, its price at all-time high was at $31. So I honestly believe we're going to start seeing a lot of coins start to go up in value right now because I think we're sort of, and they said it on the news literally last night that we're sort of coming out of the bear territory, entering not a winter, but a spring. So we could be coming out of it, all right? So just keep an eye on that. And of course, Gala still up 9% on the day, 13% on the week, and 46% on the month, which is crazy. Now, if we go to the news, We'll get into some Ripple stuff as well, but the CFTC reportedly approving over-the-counter crypto derivatives trading products from SBI Group supported platform, which is really interesting right now. So the CFTC is basically the ones that could be potentially regulating the crypto space in the United States, as opposed to the SEC and Gensler's lizard hands. All right, so his sticky fingers, because he wants everything and he wants control. He's gone mad with power. We all know this. But the Commodity and Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, reportedly giving the green light for new financial products from the US subsidiary of Clear Markets, an international operator of derivatives trading platform. According to the Clear Markets stakeholder SBI Group, aka heavily involved with Ripple, the CFTC has granted approval for over-the-counter crypto asset derivative products with a physical settlement from Clear Markets North America, the US arm of the electronic trading platform developer, which again is just bullish because it means institutions are now getting in this space. We know Blackrock is as well. SBI says that the approval will allow Clear Markets to operate a swap execution facility, which will offer derivatives trading for US dollar Bitcoin pairs and other products. The Japan-based financial giant says that the crypto asset market maker SBI Alpha is already conducting a pilot transactions using the platform. I mean, come on, this is just insane right here. I mean, how good is that? I mean, institutions are coming into this, which means we're going to see higher prices. That's just what's coming. All right, it's facts. Moving on to some updates in relation to Ripple and XRP, my favorite project. You've got an ex-SEC lawyer, John Berry, argues that XRP, like Ethereum and Bitcoin, isn't suited for the Howey test. Tell that to Gensler, your mate. Go and give him a call. What's his name? John. Go give him a call, Johnny. The SEC case against Ripple Labs remains one of the longest legal battles the crypto space has witnessed. Facts. The SEC has one fundamental claim against Ripple XRP is a security. The financial watchdog has held on this claim despite arguments against it. A video that opposes the SEC's claim recently surfaced. In the video, a former employee of the regulatory body highlighted why XRP is similar to Ethereum and Bitcoin and does not fit the Howey test. Why doesn't the judge see this video? If someone's out there, give it to the judge. Johnny Deaton, you legend, mate. Jeremy Hogan, go hand it to Torres and Netburn. Please, look at it. So you can see right here, a securities docket webcast clip uploaded to YouTube features John Berry, ex-SEC lawyer, as he discusses XRP. Berry argued that XRP is similar to Ethereum and Bitcoin in the clip. He acknowledged the differences between the three coins, but insisted that none fit the Howey test. Why doesn't the judge see this? Berry's comments replied to experienced litigator Sean Prosser's question. Prosser asked if Ripple could have any defenses should the SEC apply to the Howey test. The SEC, I think, this is what he's saying, the SEC, I think, is getting more aggressive, he mentioned, adding that Ripple's case fits into the category of an aggressive cases. Well, duh. Berry further noted that XRP as a token is a lot similar to Ethereum, which then is similar to Bitcoin. He, however, pointed out that the SEC has never brought the case against Ether, despite its similarity with XRP. Why? There's so much corruption going on. We all know this for a fact. It's really annoying. So speaking further, he admitted that the SEC could highlight features of XRP that make it different from Ethereum. Ripple, the SEC would say, marketed its XRP tokens as an investment. He further said that the SEC could point out that XRP is not as decentralized as Bitcoin. This is because XRP uses validators to confirm transactions, with some validators being affiliated with Ripple. So Berry's comments are similar to the Hinman speech, which again, this is what I'm saying. They do not want Hinman's anything to do with Hinman's emails coming out, because it's going to destroy their case and it's going to get egg on their face. And I hope it does. I really hope it does. Now, anyway, this is interesting news update coming out today. Just more bullish stuff for, the investments in general in gold. So look at this. New legislation calls for all gold mined in Brazil to be tokenized on the blockchain. This is really interesting. A new bill in progress in Brazil's calls for gold mined in the country to be tokenized on a blockchain. I wonder which one. As a way to bring transparency to the sector and make irregular mining difficult right now. So the project was presented by the federal representative I'm not going to even pronounce your name there, who highlighted about half of the metal mining in the country comes from illegal operations, she highlighted. So this is practically half of the national production, and most of the gold came from the Amazon, which is interesting as well. As reported by a Brazilian website, Bitcoin gold mining has a major environmental impact. You can see this as it can be responsible for contaminating soil, groundwater, and rivers throughout the release of chemicals and heavy metals. These operations are accompanied by mercury contamination, blah, 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 deforesting, as well as frequently reported by the national international press and by civil society organizations that fight the protection of the forest and guarantee indigenous rights, explains the bill. So again, this could be a bullish move towards some, crypto projects that, will be backed by gold. I wonder which ones they're going to go for. I'm curious. Keep an eye on this space right here. And I've got some interesting stuff. Derivatives data hint Ethereum rally may abruptly end in a sell the news event. Basically what I was saying before with Scaramucci, he said the same thing last night on CNBC. And again, this can happen. So a lot of people are going to FOMO into Ethereum rather than dollar cost averaging. And a lot of people that at the top are probably going to end up selling on the people that FOMO in. All right, so just be careful with this when you want to, buy Ethereum. I know everyone wants to get up on the hype of the merge. Just be careful with this because that will happen in my opinion anyway. So Ethereum remains the center of attraction for the cryptocurrency sector ahead of the merge upgrade as the section of the market bets on the asset to sustain a bullish momentum after the update. Well, we all know this is going to happen. However, it appears some investors are preparing for the possible price correction post-merge. Facts, a lot of people are going to sell, cash in. This is what happens in crypto. In particular, derivatives markets indicate that traders are going for call options, projecting a rally in advance before the September upgrade, while futures and options indicate investors expect the value to drop in a sell the news scenario. All right, Bloomberg reported, which again, please be careful out there. Don't go throwing in all your money before this FOMO stuff because that's just bad. All right, it's going to happen. People are going to sell on you. Now, this is interesting right here. Californian financial regulator slaps crypto lender Celsius with a desist and reframe order amid bankruptcy right here. So California's financial services regulator is issuing a desist and a reframe order from embattled crypto lender Celsius Network for violating state laws. The Department of Financial Protection and Innovation California is ordering Celsius and its CEO, Alexander Mashinsky, to stop selling and marketing securities in the Golden State over claims that the company violated the local corporate code. Very interesting right here. We know for a fact that Ripple is looking into acquiring, and in my opinion, I think they will end up buying up Celsius assets right here. So keep an eye on that space as well. Moving on, some stuff in relation to Forbes now. Forbes is the OG. Floodgates of capital. Crypto is braced for a $21 trillion boom as price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Solana, Cardano, Luna, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin skyrocket. Well, let's just see what happens here, guys. In the past week, the price of Bitcoin soared 7.4%, currently trading at 24,000 USD, and Ethereum price climbed to 8.8%, just under 1,900 USD. Again, this is all based on, obviously, the largest exchange Coinbase announced a partnership with Blackrock, the biggest asset manager in the world, to bring Bitcoin to institutional investors at scale. The news marks a huge leap forward for Bitcoin's institutional adoption, which brought out the flurry of bold calls right now. So again, keep an eye on this again. The founder, also Dan Tapiria right here, the founder of 10T right here, a near $1 billion crypto fund, predicted that BlackRock will open the floodgates of capital into crypto and push its price into seven figures. All right, which is just crazy. So 5% shift in BlackRock assets is $500 billion, greater than today's Bitcoin value today. A catalyst for a path of $250,000 Bitcoin is becoming clear. Whew. Anyway, that's big news. Moving on. Okay, let's go to cryptometer.io. Let me refresh this right now to see where the money has been flowing in the last 24 hours. And of course, this is important because I just like to check where the money's going. Bitcoin, XRP, BNB, Shiba Inu, which is interesting. Polkadot. You got Lido token as well. Doge, Filecoin, Solana, Ethereum, and Beth. That's where the money's been going. Let's have a look at my World OTC trading platform here. Again, I'm sitting at 5,842 USDT, which is really nice as well. My income is basically 174 USDT in the last 24 hours, which is really nice as well. That's roughly around about $230 a day, which is insane. You can see here the profits now about 20 USDT. And I'm not sure what this 0.035. Oh, that's because I had some funds in there I just forgot to trade. Anyway, so I'm using the iMacro script linked below. It runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If that script is not running and I have to manually push this start filtering button right here, I will not make 3.2% per day. It would make me 0.4% per trade every 3 hours. Again, it is high risk, high reward, and it is growing substantially, making that 3.2% per day because of the iMacro script running 24/7, all right? And again, I only put in 199 USDT into this and I've taken that out and now I'm just letting this compound. And again, I've seen so many comments. Yes, okay, I understand that it's high risk, high reward. There are commissions that are paid out from people profiting from these their trades as well. So it's like 10%. It's much, much lower than COTPS. That was, a disaster. It's much lower than that. I'm seeing less profits coming from that, of course. But again, it is what it is, guys. It's high risk, high reward, and I'm going to see how far this goes. And again, I advise everyone, it's not financial advice, but please do not go investing in your life savings into this. Only a small amount if you want to, but please do this at your own risk, all right? I can't guarantee this site will be around, but I'm seeing some pretty crazy growth here, and I will take profits every week. So I'm just, taking out money and leaving in the house money, all right? Now, let's go to Twitter to see what is happening out in the market right now, and especially in the news, because Twitter is never boring. Fun fact, 34 million consumers in the United States spent more than they earned in the past 6 months. That's devastating as well. I mean, this is why I'm saying, everyone needs to work on their cash flow. Johnny Deaton right here. New Japanese bank Shinsei launches XRP and Bitcoin rewards, and he's made a very good point here. The bank can do this legally because both Bitcoin and XRP are not securities. Facts. Why would a bank launch rewards if it's a security? Get with it, Gensler, mate. Seriously, pull your head in. Ethereum has reclaimed $235 billion market cap. And look at this, guys. The entire world outside the United States thinks XRP is not a security. That is facts right there. Yes, that is my profile picture now. And again, I just want to point out quickly while I'm in this video, here is my, that's not my freaking TikTok page. Here we go, right here, guys. The Wall Street Bull. Yes, this is my official page. And again, my Instagram right here. Look at the usernames. The Wall Street Bull Oz. This is my page right here. And I just want to point out as well, look at this. I'm just going to pause this right here. There are scammers out there, and this is one of my followers right here, basically calling him out. This is what they're trying to do here, steal money from people. Please avoid this at all costs. It's not me. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz, spelled with an OZ. That is it. If it's not that, please avoid it at all costs, all right? So please be careful. This is my official Instagram. Anyway, moving back to Twitter. Let's have a look here, guys. You've got XRP supplies, or snapshot as of 12th of August. Supply is 99 billion XRP. Escrow is 45 billion. Retail sitting at 15.8 billion. Whales at 39 billion. What else we got here, guys? You've got Ripple buy rate at 1/4, 1.7 billion. So they're buying back. Retail buy rate per month is 500 million. That is a lot of XRP. Some interesting stuff about Polysign as well. Can change the world of finance. I'm looking into this as well. We'll keep digging into this and I'll give some updates about Polysign as well. Could be interesting as well for institutions and custodians right here for digital assets. Again, when institutions get involved, we see some pretty crazy stuff. Now, Vitalik Buterin says Ethereum has set a terminal total difficulty right here, which predicts the merge of proof of stake to happen on September 15th, 2022. There he is right here, guys. That is getting some real nerdy stuff right there. But again, who knows? Let's see what happens with Ethereum. Now, this is interesting right here, digital asset investor. This should disturb you whether you hold XRP or not. Gary Gensler holds meetings with a guy that reports directly to the CCP's favorite CEO. Interesting. Hinman helped take Alibaba public. I fear for this country. They've sold us out. They've sold out our children right here. This is devastating right here. But Gensler, you're so corrupt, man. I hope the judge sees all this right here. Evans was appointed president of Alibaba Group right here, where he leads the Alibaba Group to international growth strategy outside of China, and reports to CEO Daniel Zhang right here. Oh, it's just full on, man. Like, how does the judge not see this in this Ripple lawsuit right here? Look at this. There were meetings held. Straight up. Look at that. May 3rd at 12:30 p.m. right here. Michael J. Evans, president and director of Alibaba Group. That's full on, man. I don't know how this guy gets away with anything. Anyway, moving on. You got some interesting stuff about Hinman right here. I want to play this. Have a listen to this as well.
Hinman was warned by the ethics office it would be a crime to do anything that would affect Simpson Thatcher. no meetings, no phone calls, or he'd be breaking criminal law. But Hinman ignored the legal warnings. He met with Simpson Thacher again and again. He met repeatedly with head of its DC office before and after he delivered a market-moving speech declaring the digital assets Bitcoin and Ether as not securities. When Simpson Thacher joined the Enterprise Ethereum Alliance, a group with the sole mission to promote Ethereum. Then Hinman connected with Chris Lin, a partner in the Simpson Thacher's China office, who had IPO business before Hinman's division for a Chinese client that makes and sells Bitcoin and Ether mining equipment. Lin asked to meet with Hinman to, quote, report what is going on in China. Hinman said yes. Did Hinman commit a crime? It's time.
It's like, I just don't understand why the judge doesn't see this. Anyway, moving on. 46, we're on at the Fear and Greed Index right now. CFTC chairman claims the agency is ready for a possibility of regulating crypto. Gary Gensler, it's time to settle. Make the most of the ransom you can get now rather than risk the possibility of not being in the position to continue kidnapping in the future. Well, that's facts right here. We all know that the CFTC might be coming in to regulate the crypto space in the United States. Fun fact, if you invested $1,000 in Bitcoin 10 years ago, you would have $2.5 million US right now, which is just insane. And Ashley Prosper, thank you for that XRP tweet as well with the 2017. That's awesome. Even Goldman Sachs knows XRP is a currency. All right, published on May 21st, 2021 right here. Goldman Sachs, XRP, $38 billion market cap. It is a currency. All right, facts right there, and started in 2012. Rosie Rios right here. I've seen these videos before. Thank you, Rios, man. So go watch my videos on my Twitter page at the Wall Street Bull. Let's go to CoinMarketCap because I don't want to keep this video any longer. Let's go here right now. $1.1 trillion, $66 billion in volume, 40% BTC, 20% Ethereum. Love to see XRP flip that. And of course, we're in the greens right there, you can see, which is nice. And again, if $25 billion comes into this space, look out, it's going to be crazy. Let's go to my watch list right here to show exactly what I'm focusing on right now. And that is the money coins right here, the banking coins. XRP, Stellar, Algorand, Hedera, Quant, IOTA, XDC, and Alliance Block partner with Hedera and Quant, so it's bullish for me. All these coins right here is where my money is going. Why? Because these coins right here are going to change the financial world forever. All right, so that's pretty much it for today's update. Thank you very much for sticking around this long. We'll speak to you all in the comments. Stay safe. Peace out, guys. Bye.